It's me, and welcome, Magician33, and I've got something wicked today. I'm hoping this is my new iPhone, so let's get into it.
The iPhone XS.
iPhone XS. XS?
Yeah.
Right, you hold this. Try and hold it still. I'm joking. Alright, let's get into it. Yay. Oh, there's new SIM cards on it. What's that mean? Where's the SIM card here?
Might be mine.
Might be yours. Or it might be mine.
Wait, does that mean I've got more new details for the thingy? The test goes out so I can see how much get the data I'm using.
That'd be brilliant. Coming closer. Oh, that feeling. Oh, this is nice. Come on. Feels really good. Don't know if I have to charge this first. Oh, got a little AirPod. Oh, it's bloody got a wire. Well, that's disappointing straight off the bat because there's no USB jack. I mean, there's no headphone jack here. So, what's the point in sending out these if I can't?
They should. Yeah, look, the end part is the charger.
Oh, right. I get you.
Just look here.
Yeah. Yeah, I get you. Alright, I was going to be disappointed with you then. Alright, let's put you guys over here. Once I do a bit more exploring, you might have a bit of a more steadier cam then.
Sounds a bit dodgy, assembled in China.
The sort of level it's assembled in China, it's where it's cheapest to assemble.
Now Rush gets the joy of peeling it off. The satisfying part.
I don't want to unpeel it, but I'm going to have to. I never unpeel them. Not for a while anyway. I'm doing this just for you guys at home. Hello wifey. It's a birthday. Over a week ago I just got her presents now. That's not really funny, the burger Pandora said she would have done for me. Said I would have been well gone. I said, yeah, well, you don't love me like my wife loves me. Anyway, back to this review. Or unboxing. Alright, oh shit.
Oh yeah guys, he can start using his own charger now.
We got a normal plug. Oh. Nice new iPhone lid. Okay, I can start listening to music as well. Let's see if it's got any battery. Let's power it up. Well, let's get this SIM card out. If they sent me a SIM card, we'll see what it's all about. I don't know if I linked it out to my Tesco's Plus card account. Oh, so I'm with Tesco's, by the way. Now, this is inconvenient.
What?
Have we not got a pin in there? Oh, I can't even get it out.
Yeah, you should be able to.
You guys probably want to got A9 fan in the background. Get you over here.
Yeah? It should come out. Yeah,
I don't think it does, mate. I think that's all you get.
no, it's definitely. Mum, should they come over here?
Anyway, feel of it's lovely. It's nearly dropped it then. I don't want to mess about it too much. It's glass all over. Heard the back of these are like £500 to replace. Let's power up. if this is the right power button. See how long it takes to boot up. That's about 5 seconds. Anyway, I'm really pleased with it. I finally got it. So more from social media. Follow me on Magician33 at Instagram. Oh, hello. And follow me on Twitter, Magician33 also. And like my page, Magician33 on Facebook. Plug, plug, plug. Alright, I'm going to get into this and set it all up. But thank you for tuning in and follow me on my other channels. Peace out.